Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows desktop is not available after Windows update. Click File Explorer. Click this PC. Click View. Click Hidden Items. Click C Drive. Click Users. Click Default. Copy desktop folder. Click C Drive. Click Windows. Click System 32. Click Config. Click System Profile. Paste the desktop folder. Close and exit. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.